Philippines!
Good morning guys. So ngayon guys, balikan ko yung, if nakita ninyo yung bagong ano natin, yung dumpster dive natin na ang dami kong nakuha. Balikan ko po siya kasi meron siya doon. Anyway, let's go guys. Dumpster dive. Sobrang aga. It's almost 5 o'clock sa umaga. Balikan ko bago mag, you know, may araw. So yun. So let's go dumpster dive again. Okay, yeah. Okay guys. Okay, let's go. What is this? Oh, yeah, I can use this. Okay. What is this? A grabber. Okay, that. Here. And then I'll put this right here. What is this? What the heck is this? What is this? It's a shark robot. It's working. Okay. I'll do this later. Kita ninyo guys, mga decoration. What is this? What is this? Another thing. Another coffee. What is this? Oops. Kita ninyo guys. O diba? Ito is part of that. What is this? Kunin ko lang to guys. What is this for? Okay. Lagay ko dyan. What is this? Dalhin ko sila. Okay. What else? It's another. Kunin ko muna to dito. What is this? And this. Ito. Lagyan ko dyan. Like that. And then ano to? Bulb. Para sa light. Oh, this is the ano. This is the lampshade from last night. Okay. What else? Oh my god. Ang daming kutsara. Ang daming this, hindi ko alam ano to, pero I'm going to put it down like that, and what's going to is ang daming kutsara. Oh, I can use this. Look. another. I'm not taking that. Okay. This is for the vacuum, I think. I think this is for the vacuum. Oh my God. Okay. Ang hirap, guys. Aray. Hi guys! So ngayon guys, ano na siya guys, kararating lang namin kanina, mga 3 hours ago. And then, nilagay ko lang dito yung mga nakuha ko. Yung binalikan kong mga gamit doon. Ito siya. Ipakita ko po sa inyo. Ipakita ko po sa inyo guys kung ano yung nakuha natin. Yung pagbalik natin. Kasi ang dami kong nakuha the other, you know, yan siya, nakuha natin. And then, plus, iniwan natin yung iba. So, ngayon ko, ipakita natin sa inyo. Last night, I was filming, and then the battery, namatay siya. Nalubat. So, mga 13 minutes lang yung clips doon sa dumpster. Namatay agad siya. And then, sobrang ginawatwas the temperature this morning. It was 7 degree, right? And then, it's windy. 7 degrees. Sobrang ginaw siya, pero I don't let Tommy help me. But he went with me. I told him, get up. And alam nyo ba na gusto kong balikan mamaya na naman? Everyday na lang tayo mag-dumpster, guys. Kasi yun sila, guys, ang dami talagang tinatapon. And yun. So, akala ko hindi ako nakapag-film kasi nga namatay yung camera dahil sa ginaw. Sometimes kasi Tommy told me that the camera will just die because of the temperature, you know. Look, ang dami, guys. As in, guys. Imposible naman tinatapon nila, guys. And tinatapon nila, pero hindi nila sinira, guys. Hindi nila sinira. Look. So, there is a box over here. So, I will do this later. I don't even know what's in here. But, I took it because it's a box. You know, it's a mystery box. So, first, it says does not work. This one, it says it doesn't work. So, let's see. I can try this. Let's see if Tommy can, you know, fix this. As in on TV. Notary chopper. Can chop everything. So, let's see. Next is, yun, nakakuha tayo last diving natin. Mga ganito. So, ngayon, may natira palang isa. So, yun, siya. Ito siya. Ano to, yung parang lalagyan ng baso. And when me and Brenda, yung ako at ako yung nag-English naman ako, guys. Yung kami ni Brenda, guys, ba, nag-dumpster dive kami. Nakakuha kami ng ganito, 'di ba? Nasa akin, broken siya. Ito din broken din. Kasi maririnig mo na broken ba. So, look ito. Yan siya. And meron tayo ditong, how do you call this, love? Tea kettle. Katol, guys, kito. This is gonna go to the Philippines, guys, because we don't use this here. So, ito siya. Ipagamit natin. Isend dito natin. Next is, this is a oil and vinegar bottle. We need this badly because ours is really bad. Yan siya. Magagamit namin ito kasi Tamian ay ours is bad. This is a curtain rod, guys. This is a push curtain rod, love. This, you're looking for this, right? A push thing. Look. Tiny one, but I'm talking about this one is a push one, right?
Pressure rod? I don't know.
Yeah, it's pressure one. Look, in here is like foam. Oh, it's not foam. It's like rubbery thing. And this one too good. It's pressure thing. I don't know why they're throwing this out. What is the reason? Ito siya, guys. Tinapon.
There's no rubber on one side. No rubber on one side.
Ah, there's no rubber. So, maybe, okay. Okay. Lahat sila, guys, mga ano, pressure curtain rod. Look, baka ito, curtain rod din ito. Let's see. This is pressure curtain rod. This is pressure curtain rod. So, 4 of them. Look. I-inopen ko to doon, guys.
Folding
This.
rack to hang the dry clothing.
Yeah, I said, oh my god, I can use this. No, it should be really flat. It's good thing you're not an actor. I will just screenshot that again. I don't know if this work. Seems like this one is broken, that's why they throw it away. This one, it's a curtain rod and I think it's broken. Yeah, because look, it's not the end one that you can change the look of your curtain rod. Look, hon, it's a boob squeezer, honey. To get all the milk. This is go together with what I got before. They will, you know, ibigay ko to guys. I will just give it away with the one that yung nakuha ko the last time. And washcloth. This one, I think, I don't know. Intenso Ili. I don't know what is this. Let me open it. It's a coffee thing.
Two.
Look, I don't know what is this, guys. I open it. What is it? Meron akong nakita dito, guys, kasi para siyang lagyan ng ano, guys. Look, the one that I found, I just keep throwing it away. I will keep this one. Maybe I can find it the next time I go back over there. And another candle. It smells so good. It's a driftwood. Sand and driftwood. It smells good. It's a wick candle. And look, we have a thing. This is for the kitchen, love. Ipangbigay ko na lang ito, guys. Sa giveaway natin. And I found a garbage bag. It's a bag. We found a bag. And then, I found a heating blanket. It's not a big one, so it's a heating blanket, guys. Meron tayong heating blanket. Look, heating blanket. Labhan. It's washable, guys. And then this is the connector with the this is Broxton. Of course, Broxton. It's pricey, guys. And another laundry bag. Ipamigay din natin ito sa giveaway natin. Good grips because we have few of them already here in the house. So we don't need this. So ito, guys, I got gift card and I will check the gift card because sometimes they throw with money. So ito, guys, it's brand new. It's complete. It's really complete. Kompleto pa talaga siya, guys. Look. It's a coffee maker. How do you know if this work? This one is not broken. So, of course, this is everything what I got, guys. And then we don't use. We give away yung mga giveaway natin sa mga followers because the followers, hindi tayo wala tayong views. We don't have views if we don't have a follower. So, that's why I wanna return something to you guys. Decoration. Kinuha ko kasi maganda siya. It works? Wow.
Fine for this.
Okay.
Turn to the size.
Found what is this, honey?
Ironing board.
Ironing board. Oh, for packaging daw siya, guys. Ano siya? You can hang it sa ano.
No, you hang it to put it away. It's got a tabletop. You got legs.
You got legs. Oh, wow. This is cute one. Oh my God. This is a cute one, guys. Look. The next thing that we have to look is plancha. Kasi yung plancha namin is old. So, sana magtapon sila ng plancha, diba? Look, ironing board. For packaging daw. Kaloka naman itong mga tindahang ito. So, tignan natin dito, guys, kung ano yung nasa bin. It's a Shark vacuum. And I think somebody used this already. And ito yung handle niya, look. Oh, we have to let Tammy do this. I don't know if this is the right. Of course, the right one because the color, yeah. Yung color, si Tammy na bahala niyan. Ito yung maingay kagabi. Yung charger niya, hindi ko nakita. And, nakakuha tayo ng ito. Pwede man ito maipadala, eh. Hindi ko nakuha din yung ano niya. Sa ilalim niya. Ito siya, hindi ko alam kung ano to, guys. Ay, okay, it's a divider. I can use this. Look. It's a divider. Kanya buti na lang kinuha ko siya. Ang presyo is, it was $21.99 and then sinisale nilang $17.99 and then walang bumili. And then, tinapon. So, yun lang yung mga ano nila. And the next is, ito siya. Okay, I need this. Oh my goodness. Yung mga shawl or yung pangginaw. Marami ako eh. So, wala lang lalagyan. So, ito, magamit natin ito. Look. Look, oh. Dalawa. Ipadala natin ito kasama yung nakuha ko previous drawing mat. Ibigay ko to. Hindi na ako gagamit nito. Pillowcase. Maglaba pa man ako, guys. Maglaba. Dami kong lalaba, no? And another pillowcase. And another isang ano pa, oh. Pantay sila, oh. Pillowcase, laba. Another fall decoration. Okay, and what's next here? I don't know what is this for. It's a measuring thing. Look at it. It's like you measure the water.
No.
Look, this one we can use. I want this. I want this for your shower upstairs to put all the thing.
You got more of these.
So ito siya, guys. Another curtains, guys, white. Look. It's a white curtain.
Dunkin' Donuts, empty.
Yeah, it's everything you went here, oh. Han, what is this, Han?
I don't know.
Is that an egg thing?
No.
It's a, what is it? It's a USB, honey.
This is a notice telling their employees that people have been stuffing expensive items in cheap boxes and stealing them that way.
Oh, really? Employee?
Read it. Not the employees, they're telling them to watch out for customers who are doing that.
Okay, so ito siya, guys. So, ayusin na ni Mr. yung shark vacuum. This one, look at this. Hold the spoon. It's heavy, though. I like it.
Like, you know, next to the stove.
Yeah, this is nice. I said, oh, this is cute. Oh, there's no legs. Oh, this is a napkin. Bigay din natin yan. And what else over here? Another bag. And what is this? A Harmon hand gel cream, Neutrogena. Giveaway din natin yan, dyan. So, meron tayong Dunkin' Donut. You won't drink this Dunkin' Donut, right? Natin yung expiration. Based by September 2022. Holy cow. Hugasan lang siya kasi hindi mo siya pwedeng diretso kasi look, may mga dumi-dumi. I'm confused what's in here. Curious. Ah, this is a thing, look. Somebody return it, oh. To Elaine Malco, Roosevelt Drive. So ito, guys, I'm not gonna open this. It's a blind. It's like the blind that you pull out, down, and pull up. It's just automatic. It's just like it's a material. It's not. It's like a fabric, but it's not a fabric. So anyway, guys, I'm going to end the dumpster dive haul natin. I-end na natin, guys. So ito siya, guys. Mag-clean up lang ako dito kasi naglalaba pa ako. Thank you, guys, so much for watching. I will see you, guys, sa mga susunod nating diving. Bye, guys. So meron tayong giveaway, oh. Oo, follow na kayo, guys. Follow and share sa mga videos and live natin.